viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to discuss also about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with app application. Yes, ApeCoin. Already we have discussed about ApeCoin, but today we are going to connect our wallet with that platform where you can easily buy NFTs and you can easily sell from your Ethereum. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till and this video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you can see here, my YouTube channel is open in front of me. If you need to get more information about cryptocurrency, you just simple visit this YouTube channel, and after that just simple click on video portion. Then you will get the all information about cryptocurrency wallet on in these videos. Okay. So before going to use any cryptocurrency wallet, you must get the all information about that wallet. Okay. So now we are going to start. You can see here the right top corner, the Coinbase wallet is shown in front of me. I just simple click on it, and first I need to log in because today we are going to connect our wallet with ApeCoin platform where you can get where you can easily buy sell NFTs. I have entered my password, and after that you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I have not any balance, but if I'm going to click on the wallet portion, you can see here I am going to use my by default wallet which is I have created when I was create a account. Okay. So if you need to connect your other accounts, you just simple add account and import, and after that you can easily connect. Okay. So now my wallet is open in front of me. Now going to open CoinJacko, where we can get the all information about cryptocurrency chart, pairs, and pies. And you can see here coinjacko.com is the official website, and I'm going to open this website. Now website is open in front of me, and the Bitcoin price is $45,000 plus today, and XRP price is 63. So if we need to check the ape coin from the top 100 cryptocurrency list, so going to check is available or not. I think not short in 100 top cryptocurrencies. I just simple type here ape. Yes, you can see here the second number is shown here. You can see here the ape coin all information you can get from this page. This time price is $1.74, means $1.74. And if we are going to check the maximum all-time high, so you can see here all-time high almost $23, $24, and the 93% down from the all-time high. All-time high basically $26 plus, and all-time low is only $1 almost 3 months ago. But today price is $1 plus. And ApeCoin is currently found a new expansion in the Web3 through the art, gaming, entertainment, and even the possibility for the blockchain impact on the culture are so endless. And you can exchange this or trade this coin on these exchanges like Gate.io, OrangeX, Bitmart, Maxi, Xe.com. And let's suppose you want to open the official website. Simple click on here apecoin.com. This is the official website, and the development on Ethereum network. The official website is open in front of me. and there is the information about you can get the information about ApeCoin, about governors, proposals, discussions, and delegates, and treasury dashboard, and also buy sell. But I need to connect our wallet with this ApeCoin platform, so you can see here the marketplace is available here. I just simple click on it, and after that, the ApeCoin DAO has launched. It is the official marketplace. This is a DAO, and where you can buy or sell your NFT and support the DAO. This is a marketplace, and before going to connect your wallet, you must read the disclaimer. Okay, so ApeCoin marketplace, just simple click on it. Now the marketplace is open in front of me, where you can buy sell NFTs. You can see here there is NFTs available here. The token number is 1420. The price is 28 Ethereum, and the token number is 112. The price is 28 Ethereum. Means only if you want to buy any these NFTs, you will pay 28 Ethereum. So if you want to buy, so before going to buy, you must connect your wallets. So how can you connect? You can see here the right top corner, the connect wallet option is available here. I just simple click on it, and then you can see here Rainbow, Coinbase, MetaMask, and Wallet Connect. So we are going to discuss about Coinbase, so that I'm going to use the second option. Now the pop-ups open in front of me. You can see here where we can authorized. Let us see your wallet balance and activity. Let us send your request for the transaction. Fund will not leave your wallet until you execute a transaction. Okay, so read all information and click on connect. Now viewers, you can see here our Coinbase wallet is connected with this platform, and there is shown the my atoms trading, my offer, and edit profile. If you trade any NFT on this platform, so you just simple click on it, so your all information, trading information, will be shown here. Okay, so I have not buy any NFT, so that I just simple click on back button. Oh, sorry, I just simple click on it, and then click on marketplace. Yes, the main page is available here. So we have connected our wallet successfully with this place. Let's suppose you want to buy, simple click on add button, and after that you can see a pay with the card, continue shopping, and checkout. You will be pay for this only one NFT is almost $67,000, means 28 Ethereum. Simple click on checkout. I'm not giving to any financial advice. Depend on you if you want to purchase. I just giving to information how to connect your Coinbase wallet with this marketplace or this DAO application, ApeCoin DAO application. Okay, so you can see here there's get all information about this NFT, and after that, if you have a balance in your wallet, you just simple click on purchase button, and your NFT will be buy. Okay. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with this app DAO application. This is so simple and easy. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.